Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to talk about our new chapter, Dissolution of Partnership Form. In this video, we will be learning meaning of dissolution and the meaning of dissolution of partnership and dissolution of partnership form. The name of our chapter is Dissolution of Partnership Form, but there is a difference between dissolution of partnership and dissolution of partnership form. Let us see the meaning. The meaning of dissolution is end of existence, where two issues are considered. Number one, dissolution of partnership form. Number two, dissolution of partnership. When a partnership firm closes down its business on permanent basis or a firm becomes non-existent from legal point of view, it is known as dissolution of partnership firm. What does it mean? When any firm closes down its business, they shut down their business, they turn off all the business activities and shut it down. That is what dissolution of partnership firm, right? And sometime if firm has lost its existence from legal point of view, it is also known as dissolution of partnership. What else? When except one partner, all partners get separated from a firm. Suppose there are four partners and one remains and remaining three left. In this case, this is also an end of a partnership firm, because that the partner who is left will, he may continue the firm, but that firm will not be a partnership firm because there is single owner, and we know in a partnership firm there will be more than one person as a owner. So when except one partner, all partners get separated from a firm, this is also an end of a partnership firm. What else? When running business of a firm is sold to a joint stock company, this is also a dissolution of partnership firm. Sometimes a running business of a firm is sold to joint stock company, or sometimes partnership firm is converted into a joint stock company following legal procedure. In that case also, it is considered as dissolution of partnership firm. So dissolution of partnership firm meaning basically, as per section 39 of Partnership Act, when all partners get separated through dissolution of partnership firm, that brings the end of partnership. What happens there? Liabilities of partnership firm are paid off from the realization of sale of assets, and from the remaining surplus, capital of partners is redeemed. What does that mean? When there is a dissolution of partnership firm, all the assets are sold out, and whatever amount is realized out of selling the asset, liabilities of the firm are paid out of that. And if any surplus left, the capital of partners is redeemed. Okay, redeem means capital of partners are refunded to them, means they are paid back, partners are paid back. Okay, next is when the entire business of the firm is sold, that is also dissolution of partnership. Previously also we have talked about that. When business is sold out, that is also a dissolution of partnership firm. What is dissolution of partnership, friends? So when business is not closed down due to retirement of a partner, or death of a partner, or insolvency of a partner, or due to any other reasons, the remaining partner keeps business continuous, it is dissolution of old partnership. That means when suppose a partner is retiring or a partner is died, So that partner will leave the firm, leave the organization, leave the partnership firm. So their old partnership will get over, but firm will remain continue by the remaining partners. Here they will be making a new partnership agreement and they will be following that. So old partnership will get over among or between them, and they will continue with the new partnership agreement. Okay, except outgoing partners, remaining partner keeps business continuous. So there's a difference between dissolution of partnership and dissolution of partnership firm. In dissolution of partnership firm closes down its business, and in dissolution of partnership business remains continue, but one of the partner may be leaving the organization. Okay, so there is a change in the partnership, not the dissolution of partnership firm. Let us see the difference between two. The difference between dissolution of partnership and partnership firm. The first base point is meaning. What is dissolution of partnership and what is dissolution of partnership firm? Reorganization of partnership means dissolution of partnership, and permanent end of partnership is dissolution of partnership firm. So in dissolution of partnership is reorganized, and in dissolution of partnership firm, permanent end of an partnership firm, permanent end of partnership firm is there. Firm loses its existence. Second, existence of firm. So the existence of firm remains continue in dissolution of partnership, and in dissolution of partnership firm there is end of existence of firm. Third, books of account. Books of accounts remain continuous here in case of dissolution of partnership, and in case of dissolution of partnership firm, books of accounts are closed. Fourth, settlement of account. No accounts are settled, but profit or loss arise due to revaluation is credited or debited separately to partner's capital account. Generally, accounts of outgoing partner are settled in case of dissolution of partnership. We have already seen this in chapter retirement. And here in case of dissolution of partnership firm, accounts are settled through realization account, disposal of assets is done, and liabilities are paid. Surplus amount is paid to partners for their final settlement. So in dissolution of partnership firm, realization account is opened, one new account, and all assets are disposed of and recorded in that account, and liabilities are paid off, and then anything left is paid to the partners. We will be seeing all this when we will be doing practical sums. Next, interference of court. It is voluntary for dissolution of partnership. No need of court interference, means court will not interfere if you are making dissolution of, if there is dissolution of partnership. It is voluntary. If you want, you can get the involvement of court, otherwise not. But in case of dissolution of partnership firm, whenever required, court can interfere. Okay, and the last one is effect. There may not be dissolution of firm because of or due to dissolution of partnership, but because of dissolution of partnership firm, there is always a dissolution of partnership. So there is automatic dissolution of partnership when partnership firm is dissolved. So this was all about meaning and difference between the dissolution of partnership and dissolution of partnership firm. Thanks.